So, hey guys, here's another card trick tutorial. This is called the Queens to Aces. I'll do a performance first. So, what card is this? It's the Queen of Diamonds, right? So we're gonna put the Queen of Diamonds right here. Okay? Now, we're going to take this card, the Queen of Hearts, and we're gonna put her under the Queen of Diamonds, like that. So we've got the Queen of the Queen of Diamonds, and the Queen of Hearts. Okay. So now we're gonna take the Queen of Diamonds and we're gonna put her back on the deck. So now we have over here the Queen of Hearts. So now we're gonna take back the Queen of Diamonds and we're gonna put her on top of the Queen of Hearts, like this. Okay. So now we have the Queen of Diamonds and the Queen of Hearts. Wouldn't it be cool if I snapped a finger and the Queen of Hearts would be on top and the Queen of Diamonds would be on the bottom? It would be cool, but that's not the point of this trick. They turned both into black aces. That's a pretty cool trick, right? So, I'll just show you how this is done. There's a simple setup for this trick. All you have to do is get, wait a minute, the 4 top cards, the Queen of Hearts, 2 aces, and another queen, just like that, and just set it on top of the deck. So, what you're going to do now is you're going to ask the spectator what card this is. It's the Queen of Diamonds, right? So you're going to put it on the table. Now you're going to do a triple lift. I'm with one hand, so ignore the sloppiness. This is a triple lift. There's 3 cards over here. What card is this? Well, it's the Queen of Hearts. Okay, so you're going to put her back on the deck. You're going to take the top card, which is the Ace of Spades. You're going to put it under the Queen of Diamonds. So what you're going to tell them is that, well, this is the Queen of Diamonds and this is the Queen of Hearts. But actually it's not the Queen of Hearts, it's an Ace of Spades. So you're going to take the Queen of Diamonds and you're going to tell them, we're going to take this card and we're going to put it back. Now when you put it back, you want to take the second card, which is the Ace of Clubs, and they think that this is the Queen of Hearts. And once you take this card, well, actually the magic is done. You just put it on top and you say, well, okay, so we're back to the Queen of Diamonds and the Queen of Hearts, right? Wouldn't it be cool? Well, this is now just the performance. Yeah, the magic is done. So now you're going to tell them, well, this is the Queen of Diamonds and this is the Queen of Hearts, right? And you're going to say, yeah, I think so. And you're going to tell them that it would be cool if you just snap a finger and the Queen of Hearts would be on top and they just switch places. And you're going to say, yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. Yeah, it is. But then you say, well, that's not the point of this trick, and you flip them over and it's 2 black aces. That's the trick. It's a pretty cool trick. Impresses every time. You just got to practice the triple lift. So that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.